Hello, thank you for joining today. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a paper airplane that will turn out looking this. I love this design because it's sleek, it's simple, it flies really well, and ready? So what you're going to do is you're going to start with just a piece of paper. You're going to fold it in half, lengthwise. Get a nice crease down the middle. You're going to open it back up. That's going to be your focus point for when you make the rest of the folds. So the next step is take one of the corners, fold it in that center crease. Fold that nice and neat near the top there. Turn the paper around, make it symmetrical. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Very nice. Alright, now the next step is you're going to just turn the paper upside down now. So see how you can still see that center crease? You're going to take edge of the paper here on this corner. You're going to fold it to that center crease. This entire tutorial could just be titled Fold to the Center Crease, but I don't know what I'm going to call it. Then you're just going to turn it around. Exact same thing again. Try to match it up as best you can, but it's okay if it's not perfect. Best part is you can just try again. You know, no pressure. You guys are doing your best, and that's what it's all about. That's as long as you try, I'm proud of you. No? Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it over again, and then we're going to fold it in on that center crease. Yeah, you can almost see the paper airplane now. Alright, so now we just got to make the wings. So I take the top part of the paper airplane, and I fold it gently, carefully, down so that it is even with the bottom of the paper on this side. And then, of course, turn it around. Do the exact same thing to the other side. Gently fold it. Sharpen the nose a little bit. Go. I like to do it this. I can get it nice and even. That'll take some practice, but I know you guys will eventually be even better than me at this. Alright. There you go. Got yourselves a paper airplane. That flew really nice. You'll just have to take my word for it, but it flew well. Thanks for joining us.